Tugithii na mbere ni ati Airetu matanyiheire ngiri 5 nimakugunikite na Tauro cia Utheru, githomo, kigimainie na kugimara kwa mwiri undu umwe na uhoti wa guthera na nimakorirwo magiteithiririo kuria kuhetukira unyitaniri wa wawabici ya First Lady kuhetukira ruhonge rwa Mama Doing Good and Protocol Gamble. Tauro cia mbere ciheanirwo thingiraine wa iregi gatagati ka John Chuma ariwe ni murugamiriri munene wa Mama na mundu Kariuki uria ni murugamiriri wa tafarira cia githirikari gitaro-ini kia Afrika ya irathiro.
Program is covered under the Always Keeping Girls in School program that has reached over 10 million girls across the country since its inception. And to just say, it helps, the objective of the program is to make sure that whenever we go to our girls, our vulnerable girls, that we are able to give them packs and pads and puberty education, so that pads is one of the least problems that they need to have. Right? And so far, what have we seen that this program has managed to do? We've managed to see increased transition rates. We've managed to see better engagement in class. And then also, since we are engaging our boys, there's less stigmatization.
Partnership between Mama Doing Good and also P&G is actually going to assist the women of this country, and more so the children, especially who are actually in primary school and secondary school. We know we have across the country we have about 17 million learners, and out of that about 8 million are actually girls. And out of that 8 million, I'm sure a big percentage is actually they probably have a problem when it reaches a point where they need to use the dignity packs.
You know, they're brothers standing together for their sisters. So I'm looking forward to this engagement, and I want to believe that working together, we'll be able to reach many more girls in far-flanked areas for the better of our students.
I know in future we shall be able to have a strong and very cohesive society, and also have women who are going to actually build this nation.